All right, folks, lighting a pilot light on a gas water heater. And this is a propane water heater, but a natural gas is the same. And you'll see. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that our red button here is pointed down to the pilot position. The pilot position. It'll say pilot here, vacation, low, hot, A, B, C, and very hot. And then, of course, we have off. Kind of explains itself. Now, when you turn this to low, it doesn't push in. Any other position does not push in except for pilot. Then it goes in like so. Now, this line, this gas line, has a lot of air in it, and so it's going to take a minute before we can get this going, that's for sure. This is the little igniter. So you push this in, it causes a spark, which will light that pilot light. Remember, this is gas. There is no pilot light on a electric water heater, only gas. So we'll hold her in. Now, where my index finger is right here is a status light. And once this thing is lit, this light will blink about every, 3-5 seconds, probably every 3 seconds it will blink. And that lets you know that the pilot light is lit. Now, it'll blink all of the time. If you're ever down in the basement or a crawl space like I am, you'll see that that is blinking, and you know that the water heater is working correctly. All right, let's give her a push. Nothing yet. You got to hold that button in. You got to keep it held in. Don't let off and push it back. Keep it held in. Sorry, folks, I've got a light in one hand. I've got a cut finger, as you can see. I tore that finger up. It bled all over the place. And, yeah, kind of crazy. Now, I've held this pilot light down too long before without hitting the sparker, the igniter, and it built up gas in the, this was in Georgia, and it built up gas, and when I hit that thing, my goodness, that's it, folks. She is lit. Watch the light. See the light? Watch it. I'm still holding the pilot light in, making sure the light is blinking. All right. Still blinking, so we're good. And we're going to turn her to right before very hot. Did you hear it kick on? Did you hear that? We're going to put it in between C and very hot. And then if the homeowner wants to adjust it, they can come down and adjust it. But look at that, folks, messed it up. All right, let's take a peek. As you can see, all the wording pilot. First it's off pilot low, off pilot vacation low hot, ABC, and then very hot. So that as it gets hotter as it goes up. Now, that vacation mode, that's what you want to put it on when you go out of town. You don't want this thing running all of the time. Anyway, folks, we'll see you.